Hi, it is 1:30 in the morning right now, and I'm recording to announce that I'm starting my channel. This has been like 3 years in the making, kind of, so to speak. I never got around to doing it because busy, work, life, everything. But I decided we're entering a new decade. I need to start doing things that I want to do, and that is starting a channel and teaching people how to do makeup and showing you guys my favorite things and things that aren't my favorite and sharing my life, which I think is pretty interesting. But I clearly had no concept of time. It is New Year's Eve and I am sitting in my room filming. So thank you so much for watching this very short video that I had filmed a million times before and edited and then deleted and then hated to announce that I will be making a channel. And I hope you guys continue to watch me, and thank you so much, and you have a great 2020.